Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today I am actually just going to do a quick video today about a good skin toner, how to use apple cider vinegar as a facial toner. And I haven't introduced myself, and Geri's finest. When you look at my face right now, I am barefaced. I have no makeup on. You can see all that acne I had all over my forehead, all over my cheekbones when I went camping has cleared up from the baking soda, coconut oil mixture. But I got bit in the face by a mosquito and right here, and now I have a gigantic pimple there, and actually I have one here too. So this whole area of my face was this is just looking a hot mess. The mosquito bit me in my face and my face is broken out, and it's basically been like this all week. So I was thinking like, I'm still doing the facial cleanser with the baking soda and the coconut oil, but I am going to add something extra because my poor face has been abused. Why? So I decided that I would use apple cider vinegar as a facial toner, and I'm going to mix it because it is very strong by itself. All right, let's do it. All right, first find an empty bottle. Make sure it's clean, of course. You want to fill it halfway with apple cider vinegar, and then you're going to fill the other half with water. I honestly recommend that you use filter water. If you have filter water in your faucet, that's good. You can use filter water or distilled or a water bottle. That's what I recommend. And I'm using that kind of apple cider vinegar. I don't have Not Your Mom's, but that one is also related to mothers. If you look at my lock detox video, it's hilarious. But once you mix it all together, that is ready to go. Don't be making no jokes because you saw my pajama pants. I'm almost dressed. Take a sponge and shake up your apple cider vinegar and water mixture. Put it on the sponge and then just go ahead and apply it to your face. I really focus on the area that's broken out, but you want to go ahead and put it all over your face. The reason why this is so awesome compared to just using a store-bought toner is because there's so many additives in toners when you buy them at the store. So it's always nice just to have a homemade toner with apple cider vinegar and just water. Geri's finest. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. A mosquito bite. Oh, mosquito bite. Oh my gosh. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider. Blah blah blah. I will use apple cider vinegar.